Listen, honey-do, here at Muppet Labs, where the future is being made today. And today we have something to speed up those time-consuming repairs. Yes, you've guessed it already, the electric sledgehammer. Simple in concept, yes, but is it foolproof? Well, that's where my assistant, Beaker, comes in. Very good, Beaker, right on cue. Now, when I plug the machine in, you press the start button, and we'll drive this stubborn old nail to kingdom come. Go. Oh, dear. Oh, thank you, Beaker. Now you've broken it. No, he hasn't.
Here's a Muppet News flag.